Hi there, and welcome to day 13 of English Boost. Today, we're diving into the topic of friendship. Friends play such an important role in our lives, and it's essential to know how to talk about friendship in English. Let's explore 10 new vocabulary words and practice them together. Vocabulary and practice. 1. Friendship. Friendship means the relationship between two people who like and support each other. Example: their friendship has lasted for over 20 years. Now you try. Friendship. Great job. 2. Companion. A companion is someone you spend time with or share experiences with. Example: my dog is my loyal companion. Now you try. Companion. Excellent. 3. Trust. Trust means having confidence in someone's honesty and reliability. Example: trust is the foundation of every strong friendship. Now you try. Trust. Wonderful. 4. Loyal. Loyal means always being supportive and faithful to someone. Example: a loyal friend will always be by your side. Now you try. Loyal. Great work. 5. Support. Support means helping or encouraging someone during tough times. Example: friends support each other through ups and downs. Now you try. Support. Well done. 6. Kindness. Kindness means being caring and considerate toward others. Example: small acts of kindness can strengthen friendships. Now you try. Kindness. Excellent. 7. Shared. Shared means something used or enjoyed by more than one person. Example: they have many shared memories from their childhood. Now you try. Shared. Fantastic. 8. Forgiveness. Forgiveness means letting go of anger and accepting someone's apology. Example: forgiveness is essential to maintain strong friendships. Now you try. Forgiveness. Wonderful. 9. Respect. Respect means valuing someone's feelings, opinions, and rights. Example: respect is important in every friendship. Now you try. Respect. Great job. 10. Bond. A bond is a close connection between people. Example: their bond grew stronger over time. Now you try. Bond. Excellent. Awesome job practicing the vocabulary. Now let's use all these words in a short paragraph. Listen carefully. Paragraph section. Emma and Sarah's friendship is built on trust and loyalty. They are companions who share many happy moments together. Emma appreciates Sarah's kindness and respect, while Sarah admires Emma's forgiving nature. They support each other through tough times, and their bond continues to grow stronger with every shared experience. Forgiveness and understanding have kept their friendship alive for years. Fantastic work so far. Let's expand that paragraph into a short essay to see how these words fit into a longer story. Short essay section. Emma and Sarah have been friends since childhood. Their friendship is a beautiful example of trust and loyalty. As companions, they have shared countless memories, from school adventures to exciting trips. Both value kindness and always show respect for each other's feelings. When misunderstandings arise, forgiveness helps them move past conflicts and strengthen their bond. During challenging times, they support each other, offering encouragement and understanding. Their shared laughter, stories, and dreams have made their friendship an unbreakable bond. You're doing amazing! Now, let's dive deeper and write a longer essay that explores their friendship in even more detail. Long essay section. Emma and Sarah's friendship is a story of connection, understanding, and unwavering support. From the day they met in kindergarten, they formed a bond that has only grown stronger over time. Their shared memories include playing in the park, helping each other with schoolwork, and comforting one another during tough times. Trust is at the core of their friendship. They know they can rely on each other, whether it's sharing secrets or seeking advice. Loyalty has also been a key factor. Both Emma and Sarah are always there for each other, no matter what challenges come their way. Kindness and respect define how they treat one another. Emma loves how Sarah listens with care, and Sarah appreciates Emma's thoughtful gestures. Even during disagreements, they never forget the importance of forgiveness. By letting go of anger and apologizing when needed, they keep their friendship strong. As companions, they have shared dreams and supported each other in achieving them. When Emma wanted to start her own business, Sarah was her biggest cheerleader. Likewise, when Sarah faced personal struggles, Emma provided comfort and encouragement. Their friendship is not just a bond, it's a source of strength, happiness, and inspiration. Emma and Sarah prove that true friendship can stand the test of time through trust, kindness, support, and shared experiences. Well done, everyone! Today, you've mastered 10 new words about friendship, practiced them in a short paragraph, and explored how they fit into both a short and a long essay. It's been an exciting day 13 of our English Boost journey. Tomorrow, we'll dive into another fun topic, so stay tuned. Keep practicing and remember, every word you learn is a step closer to fluency. See you tomorrow.